Do you really want to speak English fluently? Not textbook English, but the kind of English people actually speak at work, when traveling, or just having a real conversation. Then this channel is for you. Welcome to you Fluent English course, an independent project with one big goal: to build the largest audio library for English fluency training on YouTube. Here, every video is 100% in English. You'll hear clear, natural conversations designed to help you train your ears, expand your vocabulary, and develop real confidence when speaking. We don't do grammar lectures. We don't mix in other languages. Just real English, spoken clearly and explained in simple terms, so you can learn the way children do, by listening every day. But here's the truth. Growing an educational channel like this is not easy. Most people today don't believe they can learn a new language, and many have simply stopped trying. That's why your support matters. By subscribing, you're helping to keep this project alive, and you're joining a community that still believes learning is worth it. So if you're serious about your English, if you want to finally break through and speak fluently, subscribe now. Let's build your fluency together.